I often get asked, would it be better if I took my car to the dealership? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. Obviously, my answer is going to be prejudice because I own an independent repair shop. But to be as honest as I can, there are some times when you have a very strange intermittent problem that perhaps the dealership might be a little bit better because maybe they've seen it, whereas maybe an independent repair facility has not. But there's a huge misconception that all the technicians at the dealer are somehow or another factory trained. We just interviewed a guy that we're looking at to possibly bring in to be our general service technician, which is kind of an oil change type guy. I asked him what the procedure is at the new car dealership, I won't mention which one, that he's working at. What is the procedure for torquing the wheels? It was horrifying to me. I'm not going to give you the details on it, but it was completely improper. And when I talked to him, they had virtually no training and no procedures for him. He's just thrown out there and do it. So sometimes the dealer could be your best bet, sometimes it's not. And in every shop, I think every bay is a little different. So you have to pick a shop that you absolutely trust and that has great procedures and policies and training so that you get the best consistent service you can get. And that is not always the dealership. Hope this has been informational to you. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.